Hi guys, it is Antonio Rico from guitarforme.com. In this video we're going to be looking on how to get Brian May guitar sound. In this case I'm going to be using Guitar Rig, but obviously you can use any software, any real pedals. As long as you follow these guidelines you will be set to go. In the end his sound is really in his hands, but we're gonna try and get as close as possible. If you're new here, I suggest that you click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know when I publish new videos and you can carry on learning. Let's go and have a look at what kind of effects Brian May uses in his rig. Alright, so we are in Guitar Rig now. I've recreated his rig as much as possible, obviously, in the digital world. And the core of his sound is obviously his guitar, the Red Special. And he's famous for using AC Vox, AC30s. Now, this is a simulation here. These are the settings that I have in order to get this kind of sound. Now, his distortion comes from the amp, and is notorious for using also a treble booster, which basically, if we had to take it off, you will see the sound is still breaking, but it's quite light. The moment that we add the booster, then everything comes to life. And that is how he gets his distortion, driving a bit harder the amp. Then here we got a few simulations of microphones. This is just something that it's quite common to have a few microphones. In this case I've got a 57 and a Neumann 87 and a few other ones. Here are the names, and you can also pen them a little bit to try and get a bit of a stereo sound. That's something quite nice, and that many guitar players do. Here we got a filter that just is cutting a high pass filter, so it's cutting a bit the low frequencies. Okay, and this is the sound without it. It's a bit harsher. The moment that we put that on, it works a little bit like an equalizer. Very nice. And just a little bit of reverb. That's it. Now, something that is also quite popular for using is a chorus. He uses quite a bit of chorus, almost on any songs actually. But just a slight bit of chorus, just to give it a bit more of a fluff, of a fuller sound. So. If I had to take that out, it would sound like that. With chorus. Again, you can check the settings, and it's quite strange. You use it before the distortion, but it sounds cool. This lesson belongs to a series on Brian May style. So if you want to learn more, of his solos and licks and ideas and stuff, just follow the playlist that I made available for you. And guys, if these lessons are helping you, please like and share. If you got any question, if you got any suggestion, you can just leave a comment, and I'll see you in the other videos. Ciao.